Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view Webull account statements online. If you don't have a Webull account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below and get free stocks. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up. So let's start. Open the website and click on the login button. To log in, enter your mobile number or email address and password. You also have the option to scan the QR code. Then, click on the login button. Once logged in, you can see options on the top part of this page. Then, click on the profile icon. A drop-down will then appear. Then, click on My Account. You can see more options on the left side of this page. Then, click on E-Documents. Under E-Documents, you can see the securities tax documents, crypto tax documents, account statement, and trade confirmation. Now, click on the account statement option. Here, you can see your Webull account statement. Since we have not done any trading recently on Webull, we cannot view any transaction. Otherwise, if you had trading activities for the past months, it should be visible. And that's how you view Webull account statements online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.